Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaican theatre was in the spotlight this week with the return of the Actor Boy Awards ABA, hosted at the Ministry of Culture under the theme Theatre Reignited, Legacy Meets Future. The star-studded event celebrated excellence in Jamaican theatre with Minister Olivia Grange as patron. A new highlight this year was the unveiling of a sleek new trophy crafted by sculptor Keith Cousins. Daly Harris's DMH Productions Pull Up, Jamaica Land We Love led the night with 9 wins, including Best Review, Best Ensemble Cast, Sound Design, Original Score, Costume, and multiple technical and performance awards. Speaking exclusively with E-Prime at the awards, Daly was overwhelmed by the recognition.
Just very proud of the team. When we started Pull Up this year, you know, before we started production, we talked about goals, and one of the things we spoke about was hitting every note right. And I think we achieved that, and I'm just very proud of them.
Geraldo Crary and Shanique Girl Brown took home the award for supporting actor and actress from Pull Up, Jamaica Land We Love.
It's been over 15 years, maybe like 21 years, and this is my 3rd nomination and the 2nd time I won. So it's a new terrain for me, so to speak, and I enjoy it because, you know, it feels good and genuine when you put in the effort, because it's all about the craft.
Meanwhile, Joan McKenzie expressed excitement for the production, copying the win for Best Ensemble Cast.
I think because of the cast itself, they became my mothers and my fathers. You know, it was a family. And when we won, I was like, oh my God, I'm a part of history. And so I'm truly elated.
Jambiz International also made a strong showing. Room 513 won Best Comedy, Best Director, and Best New Script. Barefoot Battalion scored 5 wins, including Best Drama and Best Actor for Glenn Campbell. Cherie McDonald Russell earned Best Actress for her role in the production.
You know, we always question our lives sometimes, and then when you're awarded with something like this prestigious award, because it's the only one that we have, that is almost akin to a Emmy or Oscar, a Tony. So I really am really grateful.
The event saw Father Richard Holong receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award for his contribution to theatre and community work. Speaking with E-Prime, director of the ABA, Brian Johnson, shared that the team found it pertinent to honor Father Holong.
He's using theatre for social development, for uplifting persons who are seen as oppressed and depressed and not being seen as worth. You know, and so he's doing theatre with a powerful message, but also using the proceeds to give back to marginalized communities. And we really had to big up somebody who's using theatre to, you know, make Jamaica a better place.
Meanwhile, Minister Grange hailed the return of the ABA.
Tonight's award ceremony is a very important step forward. I really want to congratulate the team for putting on the awards now. I think they've not had one since 2019. And to see they've pulled it off tonight, to me, it's a big deal.
She also pledged her ministry's continued support for the award show. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime is brought to you by